I lived most of my life as a gypsy after that, touring from city to city, living in many of the big cities, including New York, Chicago, San Francisco, LA. And then in January, I came to visit this little sweet town called Palm Springs. And I was looking up at the mountains one day, and I was sitting at the pool, and the mountains said, "You're moving." It was really like that. And it wouldn't shut up until I did, and everything worked out. So now when I see the mountains, it's almost like they're telling me something. And they do every day. I see a new sun up in a new sky, and my whole horizons has reached a new high. From a new point of view, here's what greets my eye. New love, new luck, new sun in the sky. On a clear day, rise and look around you, and you see who you are. On a clear day, how it will astound you at the glow of your being, how shines every star. You'll feel part of every mountain, sea and shore. You can hear from far and near a world you've never